Welcome to AI Unlocked. So today we're going to pull back the curtain on one of the most important concepts in all of modern tech, machine learning. I mean, this is the engine that powers so much of the AI you're already using every single day.
So to really get a handle on what machine learning is, we first kind of need to see where it fits in the bigger picture. You can think of artificial intelligence, or AI, as this huge family tree.
And this lays it out perfectly. Right at the top, you've got the whole field, the big goal, artificial intelligence. Now, one level down, you've got machine learning. That's a specific way of doing AI by learning from data. And then, a little deeper, you've got deep learning, which is a super-powered version of machine learning that does this on a massive, massive scale.
So okay, what's the big idea here? What really makes this so different? Because this is a huge shift from how we've always told computers what to do.
Okay, here it is, the core definition. Machine learning, it's the process where an AI system learns straight from data to do all sorts of useful stuff, right? Like classifying your emails, forecasting sales, or recommending your next favorite movie. And the key part? It does all of this without a person having to write out a million if this, then that rules for every single possibility.
And this right here really gets to the heart of it. For decades, when you wanted a computer to do something, you had to write out every single rule by hand. But with machine learning, we completely flip that on its head. We don't give the machine the rules, we just give it a ton of data and examples, and it figures out the patterns all on its own.
I know this whole idea of learning patterns to make predictions might sound a little abstract, so let's make it super real. We're going to look at two examples you probably use every single day without even thinking about it.
First up, this question. How on earth does your inbox stay so clean? I mean, seriously, with billions of junk emails flying around every day, how does it manage to filter out all that spam?
Well, the answer is this classic three-step machine learning process. Step 1, data. The system gets shown a massive amount of data. We're talking thousands, even millions of emails. Then, pattern learning. From all that data, it starts to figure out the common features and patterns of what spam looks like. And finally, prediction. Using everything it just learned, it makes a call on a brand new email. Is this spam or is it legit?
Okay, let's try another one. You know that kind of spooky moment when your streaming service recommends a show and you're like, whoa, how did it know I'd love that? What's actually going on there?
It's the exact same logic. First, data. The system is just observing the videos you watch, how long you watch them, what you skip. Then, pattern learning. It starts to learn your personal, unique viewing habits from all that data. And finally, prediction. Based on those patterns, it recommends other stuff that statistically you're probably going to enjoy. So here's the really crucial takeaway. This simple but incredibly powerful idea, data, pattern learning, prediction. It isn't just for little things like spam filters. This is the fundamental engine that's driving today's most advanced, most mind-blowing AI. And that brings us right up to today. This exact same learning approach, it's what's used to train the powerful large language models, the LLMs that everyone's talking about. But instead of emails or videos, they learn the patterns of human language from just insane amounts of text data. And that's what lets them generate their own text.
See, this ability to learn from data, that's what makes all of modern AI possible. Next time on AI Unlocked, we're going to explore how deep learning takes this exact concept and just blows it up, scaling it to solve some unbelievably complex problems. So, stay curious.